Hi guys, today I'm back with another video on how I actually made this Basque burnt cheesecake. This is the first time trying this and I'm actually quite surprised that I really liked it because I'm a fan of cheesecakes, but I didn't really try this before, and since I found a recipe that's smaller than the normal kinds, I just decided to make this. So if you want to know more, just keep on watching. The main ingredient, you need cream cheese, sugar, and cream, some flour, and 2 eggs. You'll just need to add the cream cheese into your mixing bowl, and you can also use a hand mixer, but I'm just doing it manually using a whisk, so just ensure that it's soft. And then after that you just need to add some sugar as well, and then just mix it well together. Ensuring that they are actually well combined, and then you can go to the next step. After it's well combined, you can actually add in the egg one by one, and then just carry on mixing. After you've mixed the first egg, then you can add the second egg and mix again. Once you have combined all the ingredients, then the next item, you can just add in the cream and just slowly mix it in together. can just add in the 2 tablespoons of flour, and previously it was actually kind of watery, so after you add this it will kind of thicken up, and then you can just carry on whisking once it's fully combined, and then you can prepare the pan and just add it into bake. This is actually a small recipe, so actually it's a small cake, which this is a 6-inch pan, so it's actually a very small cake compared to the other recipes that I see that are bigger, and because they actually require maybe a 8 to 9-inch pan, I didn't want to make such a big batch, so I decided to actually try out a smaller recipe, and it was really not bad actually. After putting in a pan, and then you can just ensure that your oven is warmed up, and you can start the baking process and ensure that you bake it at the right temperature, and also keep the sides of the baking paper to avoid it getting burnt. After it's done, actually mine didn't really look that much of burn. It didn't really look that burnt, but it's still, looking more burnt than a normal cheesecake would, so actually it's still fine. Just check out how much of jiggles that the cheesecake is actually, and after that I actually just refrigerated it the night, and the next day it's actually tougher now, so it's not really that soft in the middle because it's refrigerated already. And then just pulling the paper out so that I can cut it and try it, because I've never tried this actually. And after trying it, I actually find it to be like a Japanese kind of cheesecake, which I really like, and it's not that sweet, it's not that sweet as well, so it's actually kind of a nice cheesecake that isn't so sweet. So that's all for my video, guys. I hope you like it, and if you really be wanting to try, you should, because this is the easiest cheesecake that you can make actually. I made this in a matter of less than an hour, so it's really quite easy. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in my next video. Bye, guys.
She likes chocolate covered strawberries and wine. She likes notes that say I love you all the time. Roses at your feet, baby girl.